All right, let me make sure this stuff gets working for me here. I brought a nice Amazon Echo, my friend Alexa. Let's make sure it's all good. Alexa, are you online? Let's try it one more time. Alexa, are you online?
Yes, I am connected to the internet.
I think you can all hear me now, right? Well, I want to first of all say that it is a true pleasure to be in front of so many CIOs, CTOs, VPs, directors. When I look around the room, I see the smartest people in St. Louis, the doers, the ones that help us all grow. So it's truly a pleasure to be in front of all of you. I brought this real cool tool here. Before I get into it, I want to make sure I respect everybody's time. Alexa, would you set a timer for 15 minutes? That's what they told me I've got.
15 minutes, starting now.
All right, I'm here today to change the world with you guys. I'm also here to open up your eyes and show you some of this innovation stuff that we've heard about today. I want to be your technology partner, and CenturyLink does as well. We want to be your advisors. But we also want to talk about change, and that's what my presentation's about. I don't have a bunch of slides. I have one slide and an Amazon Echo, because that's how I roll, okay? Let's do some introductions. Quick show of hands. How many of you know who CenturyLink is? Wow, that is awesome. I usually go places where they've never heard of us. So I asked my friend Alexa here to do some work to educate you. Alexa, start CenturyLink.
Welcome to the CenturyLink skill. For a list of commands, please say help.
Alexa, ask CenturyLink to introduce us all to the company.
CenturyLink is global leader in hybrid IT, network, cloud, colocation, and managed services. In 2013, CenturyLink bought the St. Louis-based company Savvy's. A lot of people don't know that CenturyLink employs over 1,000 people in Missouri and supports the St. Louis community through financial contributions, thought leadership, and hosting events at our 2 offices in West County. Did you know that on Wednesday, CenturyLink announced its latest product, Cloud Application Manager, that is made here in St. Louis? CenturyLink's Cloud Application Manager enables customers to control all of their public and private cloud infrastructure from a single pane of glass. Stop by the CenturyLink booth for more information. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No. I'm
Goodbye.
serious. CenturyLink invests in St. Louis. How many of you guys have been to Gateway to Innovation? Stampede Con, Strange Loop, TEDx, Global Hack, or this awesome executive summit? Did you know that CenturyLink has been a sponsor of all of those for several years? We've got thousands of people that work in Missouri. Most of you have heard of Savvis. We're right out there in West County. And we also have a cloud development center where the 4th leading cloud behind AWS, behind Azure, behind Google, you got CenturyLink. We're going to learn a little bit more about that in a while. Let me tell you about myself, though. Alexa, ask CenturyLink, who is Bob Stolzberg?
Bob Stolzberg is a visionary and the director of evangelism within the product organization at CenturyLink. He has been with the company since 2008 and is proud to be a St. Louis native who attended Chaminade. Bob has close to 20 years of deep enterprise IT experience and is considered subject matter expert on disaster recovery, cloud computing, and Amazon Alexa. When he's not working, his passions include water lilies and hunting. Bob has been married for 11 years, has 2 children and a baby boy due in July. Do you like the name Maxton Stolzberg? Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, thank you. I've got a little boy coming.
Goodbye.
I've been here all my life. I went to Chaminade. I'm very passionate about technology. 3 kids, kind of like you guys, right? I got 1 more coming on the way. So this is an exciting time. Let's get into my slides. What we're here to talk about today is change, digital transformation, disruption, innovation, right? Tons of buzzwords. But let me ask you this. Does anybody know a couple things that these 3 companies have in common? Each of them solved problems within their industry that their leaders didn't even know about. They're examples of disruptors who are placing a new mandate on executives like you. But even though these companies, as mighty as they may be and rich and well-backed, they don't have it all figured out. Let me show you. Alexa, tell me about Starbucks.
Starbucks is a food and drink service business at P.O. Box 34067, Seattle, Washington 981241067, USA 206-447-1575.
Alexa, tell me about Netflix.
Netflix is an online film rental service at 100 Winchester Circle, Los Gatos, California.
Alexa, stop.
95032, United States 408-540-3700.
That's not good. Companies that are winning today simplify and innovate with digital at the core of their business strategy. And it's changing everything. Alexa, tell me about Splunk.
Splunk is an American multinational corporation based in San Francisco, California, that produces software for searching, monitoring, and analyzing machine-generated big data via a web-style interface.
Doesn't that sound much better than a silly address? Think about how customers are going to engage with your products, brand, and business with these voice services. When Gartner polled the top performing CIOs, 77% said that they're focused on one thing. Can you guess what it is? It's innovation. So it's not surprising that 2/3 of the CEOs from those same companies said that digital transformation was core, center to their 2017 business strategy. Today's enterprises face a new mandate to digitally remaster their products, their services, their operations, and their brand. Let me show you another cool thing. Alexa, ask CenturyLink to tell me about CenturyLink
Welcome
Cloud.
to the CenturyLink skill. For a list of commands, please say help.
Alexa, tell me about CenturyLink Cloud.
CenturyLink has a unique multi-cloud strategy. Although CenturyLink offers a public and private cloud infrastructure as a service, CenturyLink also resells other popular clouds. CenturyLink's latest product, Cloud Application Manager, enables customers control all of their public and private cloud infrastructure from numerous providers through a single pane of glass. Stop by the CenturyLink booth for more information and for your chance to win an Amazon Echo. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, thank you. Let me show you how this technology is going to make its way into your boardrooms. Alexa, start Graybar.
Welcome to the Graybar Executive Assistant. I can do several things to help you, like provide an executive report, office location details, employee directory details, and more. For a list, say help. How can I help you?
Alexa, tell me yesterday's executive report.
Hello, here's the current Graybar Executive Report for the past business day. Yesterday, the stock price moved $1.20 and closed up 1.2%. The current stock price is trading at $100.56 per share. Yesterday's booked sales were $1,200,000. Service delivery installed 14,127 widgets yesterday. Marketing reported 291 new leads in Salesforce and sent a total of 1,023 outreach campaign actions, which is expected to result in a 12.5% conversion. Operations reported 2 minor incidents, 0 major and 0 critical incidents. Shipping and logistics performance rating was 100% on-time delivery. Customer satisfaction NPS score stayed the same at 9.2. Today is board member John Doe's birthday. Is there anything else I can help you with? To hear this report again, say repeat report, or for more options, say Graybar Help Executive Report.
No, thank you. Show of hands.
Hello.
Stop.
Here's the current Graybar
Alexa,
Executive Report for the past business day. Yesterday, the stock price...
It's never perfect, right? It's technology. We saw outages happen. Your cars break. It's inevitable. But I want to do a quick show of hands. Who thought that was cool? Don't applaud me, right? you guys need to adopt this technology. CenturyLink can help you do that. Talk to us a little bit more, right? Let's get her to stop. She will in a moment. But what does this mean for your companies, right? This is you. This is you on your path to digitize as much as possible, as quickly as possible, okay? But the challenge is that unlike these companies up top that were born in the cloud, who don't have the same challenges and problems that you guys do, you have a whole new set to go face. Let's see if this is back now.
Hello.
Alexa, stop. Thank you.
Goodbye.
Alexa, what are these top IT leaders' concerns in 2017?
I can't find the answer to the question I heard.
Alexa, start CenturyLink.
Welcome to the CenturyLink skill. For a list of commands, please say help.
Alexa, what are CenturyLink's top 5 IT leader concerns in 2017?
IT leaders have expressed concern around the following areas. 1. Integrating legacy infrastructure. 2. Analyzing big data. 3. Incorporating new devices with mobility. 4. The Internet of Things thing. And 5. How to operate in one or multiple public cloud environments. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, thank you. Legacy infrastructure, new applications, analyzing big data, mobility, IoT. Show of hands, is that stuff that is top of mind, right? Is that your challenge? You know? It's not easy to do these things, but as you make your journey towards this digital transformation, trying to piecemeal all of those things together is difficult. And it's a serious problem that slows you down. You're expanding your vulnerability to risk. And you can end up overpaying for things that you don't know what you have, you don't know the total cost out there, but most importantly, it's extremely inefficient. The most valuable thing that you, your company, and your teams have is your time. Money and time, right? You saw some of the capabilities, but let me show you something else to hopefully give you the vision. Alexa, start CenturyLink.
Welcome to the CenturyLink skill. For a list of commands, please say help.
Alexa, ask CenturyLink Cloud Application Manager what the marketing organization is consuming in the cloud.
The marketing organization is currently spending $43 per hour on public cloud infrastructure and is estimated to spend an aggregate of $3,1337.69 this month. There are currently 17 virtual machines in CenturyLink Cloud, 14 virtual machines in Microsoft Azure, and 14 virtual machines in Amazon Web Services. Last month's aggregate spend was $3,024. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, thank you. I don't know about you guys, but I live in a now economy. I operate in real time. I don't have time to look up a report. We have people to do that. We have many people. That gray bar report, that example, it's a demo, it's smoke and mirrors. Now that's legit because the CEO of Gray Bar, who's amazing, she has 6 people produce that report for her with KPIs the night before so that when she's up at 4 in the morning, she needs to know what's up. It's a now economy, guys. But the most concerning thing about all these efficiencies and the decisions that you have to make is that it creates uncertainty regarding the innovation and the digital transformation that you have to go through. But it doesn't have to be this way. CenturyLink has solutions. It's very easy. We want you guys to minimize the risks of your moving parts. We want you to leverage things like efficiencies, economy of scale, and a rich ecosystem of technology partners. Don't go out there to RFP and do 5, 10, 20, 50 vendors. Go to a one-stop shop, trusted partner solution provider that has all that stuff together. How many of you guys have encryption within your enterprises now? Good show of hands. What about application performance monitoring? That's going to be growing. Alexa, start CenturyLink.
Welcome to the CenturyLink skill. For a list of commands, please say help.
Alexa, tell us about Vormetric.
Vormetric is a software platform from Thales eSecurity and the Gartner-recognized industry leader in data security and cloud security solutions. The Vormetric platform enables many of the world's most security-conscious organizations to meet compliance requirements and protect their sensitive data from both internal and advanced persistent threats. Vormetric transparent encryption protects any file, any database, and any application, anywhere it resides. CenturyLink and Vormetric have been partners for many years and work together to provide services to many enterprise businesses. Stop by the CenturyLink booth for more information. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Alexa, stop the timer.
CenturyLink is global leader in
Alexa,
hybrid
stop.
IT. Goodbye.
It's technology, right? I got one more shout out. Alexa, stop my timer. Alexa, start CenturyLink one more time. Alexa, start CenturyLink.
Welcome to the CenturyLink skill. For a list of commands, please say help.
I'm almost done. Alexa, tell us about Dynatrace.
Dynatrace is a software company that provides the most comprehensive set of application performance management, monitoring, and analytics capabilities. Application performance management solutions monitor and manage the performance and availability of software applications. Dynatrace's primary goal is to help you deliver a great digital customer experience. Dynatrace and CenturyLink have been partners for 8 years, and CenturyLink offers managed services around Dynatrace application performance monitoring. Stop by the CenturyLink booth for more information. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, thank you. You were a great help.
Goodbye.
That was the last time I'm using her from my prezzo. So let me remind you guys again, right? Get over the risk, save time, use partners that are going to bring you efficiencies, scale, have those rich ecosystem partners. CenturyLink can stand up here and I can sell you any technology from any vendor. But that's not what you need. What you need is a technology partner and partners that are going to help you innovate, that are going to create custom, integrated solutions that are based on what your business needs and the direction you're going. That's critical, okay? With a CenturyLink partnership, you'll be in a better position to help achieve and accelerate your path to digital transformation while reducing the risk associated with complexities and unknowns, right? By the way, there's one more thing those three companies at the top have in common. They're all CenturyLink customers. I want to invite you all to come in to the CenturyLink Cloud Development Center for an executive briefing, to meet with the CenturyLink leadership, to get a product roadmap, to understand what our capabilities are, to get a demo to see how this old telco, very similar to the AT&T guys down the street, has transformed its business to be strategic, to improve the culture, to invest in communities like St. Louis. Give us a shot. We're here in town. You probably drive past us every day. We're involved in the community. And as a special reward for this summit, everybody who schedules an executive briefing by the end of March will receive an Amazon Echo free of charge. Come in, let's talk about how we can help you and your customers transform digitally. We've got cloud, managed hosting, tons of ways to help you. I'm going to close it off by saying this has been an absolute pleasure. I think this is the first time something like this has ever been done. Thank God it worked. Partly in luck because, did you know we're in a church? If you didn't look around, this thing was built in the 1800s. Maybe that helped out a little bit, right? But on behalf of CenturyLink, I want to thank you all. Enjoy lunch and have a great day.